here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee. Our phone number is 615-641-720. Today we're going to be looking at the Toro Proline with a 36-inch cutting deck. This mower does come with a 36-inch cutting deck. The cutting deck is made of 10-gauge steel. It does have a 14.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine. Also has the Hydrogear ZT2800s. Here you have your fuel tank, which is going to hold 5 gallons. It does have the twin lever steering controls. Here we have the cutting height adjustment, which is going to go between 1.5 inches and 4.5 inches. It does come with a plastic chute, as well as cast aluminum spindles. Once again, that was the Toro Proline with the 36-inch cutting deck. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds and can make you a great package deal.